Good morning students. Now I will show you from the same chapter, that is practical geometry, question number 2. The exercise number is 14C. Okay. First I will read the question, then I will draw the construction. Question number 2 say that draw a line segment AB 10 centimeter long. Okay. So first we have to draw the line segment that is 10 centimeter long. So here I am drawing the line segment that is 10 centimeter long. Okay, and what is the name? That is AB. The name is given AB and it is 10 centimeter long. Okay, now question say that use ruler. This is your ruler, and compass. This is your compass, to divide AB into 4 equal parts. So how to draw 4 equal parts? Now I am going to show you. So here first make a perpendicular bisector. What is the rule of to make the perpendicular bisector? By taking more than 50%. So first we will divide the AB. So I am taking here more than 50% and draw the arc on both sides. I am drawing the arc on both sides here. It is slightly more than this point. So more than 50% I am taking and draw the arc here. Now I will join these two intersecting points. I am joining the two intersecting points here. So this is one point I got. Give a name as C. Now question is that make it to 4 equal parts. So how to make 4 equal parts? Now it is divided into 2 equal parts, that is AC, another equal part is BC. So I have to make again AC bisector and BC bisector. So the same process apply here. How to divide AC? Take more than 50% here, and this point C, keep the pointer here, make it a center and draw the arc. Intersect here. Now join the intersecting points. So this is the intersecting points. Using the pen I will show you so that it is better, it will be darkened. Okay, I am using your pen, but you should not use pen while making the construction. Always use the pencil. I am making the use of pen here to make it darker. Now give the name as D. So I am getting the bisecting point of AC line segment as D. So it is divided into 2 equal parts. AC is divided into AD and TC. Similarly, use the same process and divide this point CB. Take more than 50%. Draw the arc on both the sides. Okay, both the sides, and intersect these points, intersecting points, and join these intersecting points. Here I am using the pen to make it darker. Okay, now I am getting the intersecting points, and this is the bisector of BC line segment. Make it as name, give the name E. Now CE and BE both are equal. These are two equal line segments, and here CD and AD both are equal line segment. So I am getting here how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it justifies the question. It says that what is the length of each part now. So take with the help of a ruler, measure these points. It is near about 2.5 centimeter. Now the second part, yes, it is also 2.5 centimeter. The third part, yes, it is also 2.5 centimeter. Fourth part is also 2.5 centimeter. So all the 4 parts are equal. So it justifies the question that divide AB into 4 equal parts using the ruler and compass. Okay. Okay students, now I will show you how to solve question number 3. And what is the question? I am reading the question now. Draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment xy whose length is 11.2 centimeter. So here it is given that the length of the line segment, how much? 11.2. It says that 11.2. So draw a line segment of 11.2 centimeter. Okay, it is 11.2 centimeter, and what its name? Its name is xy. Its length is 11.2 centimeter. Okay. Now question say that take any point P on the right bisector. So first we have to draw the bisector. So using compass I am drawing the bisector here. I am taking here more than 50%. Yes, it is more than 50%. I am taking the arc, and that is more than 50%. Cut this arc or intersect both the sides. Okay, now join this intersecting part. With the intersecting part here, I am joining here the intersecting part, and this is the bisector. Now it says that take a point on the right bisector. Suppose this is the right bisector. I am taking the point here, any point P I am taking here. It says that examine whether Px equal to Py. If I join this point Px, I am joining here this point, and Pi also I join here. Okay, now it is Px and Py. So we have to examine, we have to check that what is the length of Px. Yes, length of the Px is here 7.5. Yes, this is 7.5 centimeter. Again I am measuring the Py length. It is also 7.5 centimeter. So we see that Px equal to Py. Yes, Px equal to Py, and that is how much? That is 7.5 centimeter. So it justify our questions. Okay, it says that take any point P on the right bisector drawn and examine whether Px equal to Py. Yes, Px equal to Py. So it solve the questions. Okay, now try to solve the question number 2 yourself.